Krishna's reciprocation with his devotees becomes sweeter and sweeter and sweeter. That's true at the level of prema, that's true at the level of bhav, that's true at the level of bhakti. Bhakti sadhana, and then become perfected at bhav, and then full perfection at prema. So for the bhava bhakti, there's a progression. I've attained bhav, but unless I practice Sadharani Karan, if I don't practice Sadharani Karan and actively meditate as taught by Guru, then although I'm at the level of bhav, I will not experience rasa swadan. And this is described in Bhakti Rasa Sindhu in part 1, chapter 5. Sadharani Karan is also here, Gurudev writes about. So this is the act. So okay, by Kripa Siddhi or by my sadhana, I've attained bhava, but there's no rasa swadhana. So I'm very deeply attached to Krishna and in love with Krishna to some great extent, but I'm not relishing ras. I have my stairati, and I'm at the level of bhava, but we have to mix that bhava, that stairati, with active meditation, contacting the premi bhaktas through the sadhana process of Sadharani Karan and Smaran, Sadharani Karan and Smaran, and then by their mercy, they will inject their rasa into our hearts, and our bhava will produce rasa swadhana. So that's one point. There's progression at the level of bhav. The second progression at the level of bhav is at the level of bhav we are eligible and qualified to see Krishna. But we may not see him, or we may see him. So now you go back to bhakti. What are the progressive levels of bhakti? And that's known by everyone. And we're all struggling up that ladder. Step 1, step 2. Shraddha, Sarusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivriti, Aparads, Anarthas, Aparads, Anarthas, Aparads, Anarthas, Aparads, Anarthas, Aparads, Anarthas, Nishta. And you get to that step of Nishta. And wow. Goodbye, Aparads. Goodbye, Anarthas. I mean, a whole lot of them are down there. Let me just take a breath. Nishta. And Nishta, and then, it's taste. Joy, peace, relief. Shubhada. Then gradually, asakti, then bhava. So everywhere there's the gradation, there's incremental steps of advancement, even to the level of perfection of prema, and that's being revealed in Madhurya Kadambini, shower number 8. We see Krishna and faint. But Krishna doesn't want to leave it at that. What is this? You're in love with me, I'm in love with you, and you just faint when you see your beloved? It seems like a flop show. No show. The lover is standing next to the fainted beloved. Hare, wake up, man. Jeev Jago. Uto. Okay. I gave him my darshan and he fainted. Let's see what happens when I give him a whiff of my body, a whiff of my saurabhyam. So I just crouched down next to his fainted body of my beloved Premi Bhakta. Then he wakes up. Then he smells the fragrance. And then he faints again. Now he's fainted. Again he's fainted. Hare. How are we going to have a rasa dance? How are we going to... He has his nitya seva. I know his guru told me his nitya seva. But he's lying on the ground all the time. Is his nitya seva to sleep like a new bhakta? The nitya seva, the new bhakta, is just to sleep. They try to find any place they can in a temple or in the back seat of the Sankirtan van or in the bathroom, anywhere they can to go to sleep. So, this is his nitya seva to keep fainting in prema and lying on the Brajaraj. I didn't give him prem for this. Prem means prem seva. I gave him my prem. So now he's supposed to serve me with the love I gave him and mix his own individuality and sweetness in that so I can relish the sweetness of each individual heart of my premi bhaktas. Everyone has a different flavor, a different mood, a different bhav.